Welcome to Granton Estates. Modern luxury and convenient living. Only 15 minutes from Masonville, London and 5 minutes to Lucan. Our new listing 7966 Fallon Drive, Unit 18. Offering suburban tranquility while staying close to all city amenities. This bungalow has 1277 square feet of living space with 2 bedrooms, 2 full washroom, 2-car garage. Let's check this out. Might be this is the one waiting for your next move. An open concept kitchen with 10-foot ceiling, large windows, engineering hardwood throughout, quartz countertop and tiles in the wet area. It's not just ending here. Basement is fully framed with the side entrance. To book a showing or to get more information about this listing, give me a call at 226-270-5000 or my business partner Narinder at 226-270-6000 from Gold Empire Realty.